Meet the Fennec Fox, the tiniest and cutest fox in the world. With its enormous ears, the Fennec Fox has one of the most distinctive looks in the animal kingdom. Those ears help it stay cool in the desert heat. These foxes are native to the Sahara Desert. They dig extensive burrows to escape the extreme temperatures and find food. Fennec foxes are omnivores. They eat a variety of foods including insects, fruits, and small animals. Known for their playful and curious nature, Fennec foxes are also incredibly social, often seen in small family groups. With their adorable appearance and unique adaptations, Fennec foxes truly capture the imagination. Isn't nature amazing? Duh.